Hi everyone, today's recipe is Fara, stuffed lentil dumpling. It's an authentic North Indian dish which is very popular in Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand and is made during special occasions like Karwa Chauth or Diwali. This is the recipe for 5 to 6 people. Start by soaking the Urad dal for 6 to 7 hours. You can add Chana dal or Matar dal. In grinder add dal, around 1 tablespoon roughly chopped ginger peas and half teaspoon hing. Coarsely grind the dal. If required, add very little water as we want thicker paste. Paste should be like this. In a pan, boil 1.5 glass of water. Add half teaspoon salt or as per taste. Once water start boiling, add 1 lb rice flour. Mix it well and cook in low flame. It will make dough really soft and easy to roll. Dough is cooked, keep it aside and let it cool little bit. Dough is still warm and we will knead the dough to make it soft and smooth. It's ready to roll. Take dough around this size, smooth the edges, add dry rice flour on both sides. Start rolling it and try not to clip it too much. Also, gently rotate it as rice dough breaks easily. Try to roll it thin. See, this is the perfect thickness. This is the trick if you want to make fara faster or if you are making it in large quantity. Take a steel glass with sharp edges and cut circular puri out of it. See how fast it works. Don't throw the remaining dough, we will use it in next batch. I will share other technique to make fara puri and if you like more dal filling, this technique works better. Take small dough ball and apply dry rice. Start rotating it in circular manner and make a small bowl. Just before filling, add the salt. Add the dal mixture on one side of rice puri and cover with other side. Gently press the sides so that dal won't come out when you are placing it in steamer. This is the rice puri I made by hand and in this we can fill little more. Apply oil to steamer rack so phara won't stick. Once water start boiling, place the steamer rack and start placing the phara. Cover and steam for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes is over and our first batch of phara is nicely cooked. Similarly, we will cook the remaining batches. If you like to fry it or if you have leftover, you can make this healthy breakfast. Slice the phara. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon oil. Once oil is heated, add jeera and mustard seed. Add dry chilli. Let it crack. Add chopped phara. Fry it for a minute. Add fresh coriander leaves. Mix it well. Fried dal fry is ready and it is looking super yummy. You can serve steamed fara itself with aloo gobi matar curry and this combo works fantastic. Also, I love serving it with ghee and tomato garlic chutney. Give it a try and make your festival more joyful. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.